everyone.
Evening.
Good evening.
And
Time
good
check here in
morning,
the
good
UK,
afternoon.
7:22. And what's
Yes.
what's the time now? Ladies, South
12:22.
Carolina, Canada.
11.
You're,
Morning.
good
Good
morning,
afternoon.
Good
good
morning.
evening.
Afternoon.
From wherever you are in the world. Ako po si Lisa and
Wait
I'm
lang.
here from the UK po. So, welcome uli for another episode of our Empowered Women. And my name is Lisa, and I'm a digital business owner, and I'm a mentor as well. And I'm a nurse, and ako po ay may dalawang anak. So you're tuned in on another episode sa aming Empowered Women, a space where real women share real stories of courage, growth, and new beginnings. So let's hear from our sis Bernadette.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bernadette from Canada, and I'm so excited to co host tonight's special episode. Alam mo, sis Lisa, every time we do this, we meet another woman who inspires us.
Yes, yes. So we have new sister here in Empowered Women. So we are going to welcome Sis Dalia Mendoza, and she is going to share her story to us. So yeah, so let's meet Sis Dalia.
Hello.
Hello,
Salamat.
Sis Dalia. Hello.
Yes,
Can you
magandang
share? Can you?
umaga.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Tanghali or gabi man, mga kababayan. It's really great to be here today. And I am so excited to be speaking with you, lovely ladies. So, to share my story, and I appreciate you having me here today. Again, this is Dalia, and I am a wife. I am a full time stay at home mom to my two active kids for 8 years now, and proud to be a digital business owner and a mentor now. Yes.
Yes.
Nice.
Congratulations, Sis Dahlia. Okay. Um,
Congratulations, yeah.
So we have now, let's dive into the first question by Sis Malu. Sis
Hello.
Malu.
Hi, everyone. Yes, I'm Malu from Calgary, Alberta, and I have also three kids and a part-time digital business owner. My question for Sis Dahlia. Okay, so what made you say yes to this online business? Or was it something na nakikita mo before, or was it totally expected?
So, dati kasi, I was looking and searching para makakontribute din ako financially. And actually, I was looking for a job para makatulong pa rin ako sa family ko back in the Philippines. And, without even asking permission for my husband. Kasi as a stay-at-home mom, parang lahat na lang ng mga about sa money, of course, it has to be galing muna sa husband ko. And I'm glad while I was scrolling on my phone before, I actually surprised, and a powerful business opportunity. I stumbled on this opportunity, and that time, sabi ko, it's nice to, try something new. Kahit alam ko na wala akong alam about sa business or any business background. Nag-sign up ako without, my husband's permission before. Naging matapang agad ako because I know I deserve something na yung ibang parents and stay-at-home mom is, deserve na magkaroon din ng financial independence. And gusto ko rin magkaroon kasi ng a difference for my family as well. So, yeah. Back to
Ay,
you.
nakon. Nakaka-relate ako dyan.
Mhm.
Sometimes it's in the ordinary days when life surprises us with new doors. So, and speaking of new season, let's go to our second question. Sis Josie.
Hi, good evening or good afternoon. So I'm Josie and I'm coming to you from the United Kingdom. I work full time and I'm also a part time digital business owner. So, nice to meet you, Delia.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the group, to the team of Empowered Women.
too.
My question to you is, you've been a full time mom for 8 years. And what were the reasons why, or what are the challenges that made you look for another path, the digital
Yes.
business?
Thank you, Ate, for that question. It's, yeah. Kasi, Ate, lumalaki na kasi yung mga anak ko. So, before kasi, nung baby pa sila, parang para sa akin, it's okay to be with them. I wanted to, like, yun talaga yung pangarap ko, maging mommy full-time, nakita ko yung mga milestone nila. But then, of course, as they grow, they have a bigger needs then, and one income is not enough. Aminin natin yan. And
Yes.
if we wanna live comfortable dito sa US, gusto natin magkaroon ng another source of income, like a plan B. And gusto ko rin naman na mag-grow as a mom kasi feeling ko I was stuck being a mom and I'm not growing. So I am so grateful that there's a business opportunity kagaya ng meron tayo ngayon. Yeah, thank you.
Sis Malu, Sis Liz.
Please.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you, sis, for that. It's being so honest, and ang daming makaka-relate talaga sa sinabi mo, and it's really amazing how this business has already transformed to all of us. So oo, ano talaga, nakaka-amaze ang binigay sa atin itong business na 'to. To all, lahat ng moms, lahat to professionals or non-professionals, moms, dads. So yeah, so let's go to Sis Anne for her next question.
Sis Pe,
Eh,
we got the Pe.
Or Sis Faye?
All right.
Sis Faye.
Okay. All right. Sis Dalia, welcome here in the Empowered team. I am Faye Cox from South Carolina. I am a wife, a healthcare worker, and a digital business owner as well. So here's my questions to you. There are so many opportunities out there. What made the right path for you?
Sorry.
Was there a moment that made you feel this is it?
Thank you so much, Ate Fe. Actually, it's really challenging to find the job, actually, that lets you be in control of your own time, di ba? To be your own boss and work from anywhere or anytime. But then this business checked all the boxes I was looking for. And I don't go online to sell products. Hindi ko kaya yon kasi nga, with my kids and malilit pa sila, parang wala akong time that time na go on online, promote those products and this one. Because ang kagandahan and yung hinahanap ko before is something now will work for me kahit nasa bahay ako or nasa bakasyon or taking care of my kids. And this business check my box because of the automation, that sabi ko, because of this automation, it really works for me. And then when I knew that this was it, this opportunity had been, I've been waiting and searching for. This is the answer. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, ibang level talaga ang transition na yan, Sis Dalia. Could you imagine that from being a mom, just a stay-home mom, and then now being a digital business owner? So let's dive deeper into what made her choose this path. So let's go to Another question from Sis Fair.
Yes, okay. Next questions. How did your family react to this when you first started this journey? Were they supportive or skeptical at first?
Yes. Yes, unang-una, of course, lahat tayo magtatanong, is this really true? Or, I feel like too good to be true na may mga business na ganito na nag-exist. They are all skeptical, especially my husband. But there are days na, I was being skeptical too. But then, you know what, I realized, kung hindi ko susubukan or kung hindi ko itatry yung mga bago, nothing will happen. And I will be stuck forever. Kung palaging, takot, negativity, yung uunahin natin, I will be never, successful in life, and I will never grow, and I will never be like a good example to my kids. It's always on, our mindset. And this business truly shifted my mindset. From my question before, like, what if I am not ready, to what if I am ready than I think. From what if I make a mess, to what if this is just a stepping stone towards my breakthrough. From what if people will doubt me, to what if their doubt is just a reflection of their own limitation and not mine, you know? And from what if I fail, to what if I succeed. And this is the path that I've always wanted, not just for myself, but for my family and for my future. That's yes.
Um, yeah, so aminin natin kasi it's not always easy, 'di ba? To get everyone on board, sis, 'di ba? So but seeing you move forward anyway is such a testament to your determination. Kasi this is really a different business when you compare to what we have known before. So it's really really ang mahirap talaga. Kaya this is one of the reason also na ginagawa natin ito, just to
Mhm.
educate the public also, kasi itong digital business natin ay kakaiba, and a lot of us hindi narinig itong digital business before. So yeah, that's thank you so much for that, Asi. So sino yung next na, si Sis Rosalie ba, or
Yes,
Yeah.
Rosalie.
yeah, Sis Rosalie?
Hello everyone. Ito na naman po ang dental assistant ng bayan. Dental assistant po ang aking trabaho dito sa lugar namin. Ako po si Rosalie. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are tuning in from. So, dito po ay mainit, kaya ito po ang suot ko ay mainit talaga. So, hindi ako pwede magsuot ng coat kasi papawisan ako. So, hello sis, welcome to Empowered Women. You are welcome always here. So, thank God that you are with us tonight. So, ang aking question is, what would you tell to other full-time mom
Mhm.
who feel stuck or afraid trying something new,
Mhm.
especially online?
Yes. Thank you. Yes. For all stay-at-home moms out there, our children grow up so fast, and we know every moment is a blessing, a memory you'll carry forever, right? But just because you choose to be home with them, it doesn't mean you have to let go of your financial independence or your ability to provide for your family. Know that we can do both, mamas. You can be there for our kids and contribute to your financial future. You can travel with them and make memories with your loved ones, all while building and growing your business. You can break free from the feeling that you're missing out or falling behind. All it takes is just the courage to say yes, to explore something new, because this might be the answer for your prayers. So, Mami, kung ikaw ay nanonood, just believe in yourself, in your ability to create a life full of both financial freedom and family happiness. Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Thank
Yes,
you.
that's really very inspiring and very uh, powerful statement, Sis Dalia, di ba? So, I'm sure that many hearts, yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, at will reach so many hearts tonight. Hear me?
Yes.
I
Yeah,
think my signal
Yes, sis.
just went off
it's breaking a little.
a little bit. Sorry, guys.
We can hear you.
So, yes. So we're back. So yeah, so that's what happens. It's the signal
The
problem.
signal.
Yeah, it's okay.
Watching
can
us.
hear
So Alda, yeah, and thank you very much, sis. And yeah, a lot of people will be inspired of what you have just said tonight. And so before we wrap up today, so we were just going to say a little bit about what we want to kung ano yung gusto nating sabihin sa ating mga manonood. So let's just start to sino bang is unahin natin. Ano na lang natin?
Hi.
So Sis Josie.
Hi, hello. So, if you have been watching tonight and thinking of joining this fantastic business, don't wait. There is no such thing as the perfect moment. Not in my book anyway. Just start. Your breakthrough could be your decision today. So here's my website. It's www.kimayongjslifestyle.com. You can connect with any of us here. Thank you.
Sis Malu.
Yes.
Malu.
Yes, can you hear me? Okay,
Yeah.
hi.
Okay.
Naririnig niyo pa? Okay. So, ito po yung aking website, www.digitalmsconsulting.com. Takeaway natin for tonight is hindi mo kailangan maging tech-savvy or super confident. Kailangan mo lang mag-start at kailangan mong maging coachable and you have the willingness to learn and then everything else follows. And gusto ko lang idagdag din, thank you Sis Dalia for joining tonight. Gusto ko lang idagdag kasi na-interview ko rin siya sa aking sariling episode sa Road to Freedom Ilocanos with Malu. Si Sis Dalia ay naregaluhan ng napakabait na 2 anak na yung kanyang kindergarten is nasa level grade 3, di ba? Tama, genius yung anak niya.
Wow.
Yun yung
Yes.
advantage ka. Full-time mom ka talaga. Yung super hindi mo lang
Yeah.
na manage yung business mo, talagang natututukan mo pa yung pag-aalaga at pag-aruga sa mga anak mo. Kaya ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, si Sis Fe naman ang susunod na magbigay ng kanyang takeaways.
All right, to all viewers who are watching, we hope we inspired you by our story. This business really give me back my time, my dream, my time to build the life that I want to live. And now I'm helping others to build their dreams, that success and dreams are achievable. All right. And yes, my website is here, www.fakeax.net. Sign up and watch the free webinar just like we did. All right. Bye.
Sis Rosalie.
Rosalie.
Yeah. If you're watching this and thinking, I wish that was me. It can be. Just be brave enough to try. Connect with us kahit saan nyo gusto. Otherwise, this is my website, www.rosalico.com. Be inspired po. See you in the inside. God bless. Ciao.
Lisa?
Well, yeah. So, ako naman, hindi ka naman talaga kailangang maging tech savvy, no? Or maging super confident talaga. So, it's just para magsimula itong business na to sa journey na to. Kahit ako, hindi ako, I started with zero knowledge with this digital business. Wala akong kaalam-alam nun. Ang pinaka-importante lang talaga ay yung willingness mo para matuto on this digital business. Kasi once nabukas ang isip mo, just need to be open-minded. So once nabukas ang isip mo sa learning, matutunan mo rin lahat unti-unti. So take it slowly. Confidence, darating yan habang ginagawa mo. So yung skills na nakukuha yan talaga sa practice, di ba? So sa lahat naman ng bagay na natutunan basta't may puso ka at yung parang gusto mong kung hindi ka talaga sumusuko at saka gusto mo talagang ma-change yung life mo. So that's you just need to be open-minded. So don't let fear or doubt stop you. Start with your willingness and trust in yourself, and everything will follow, guys. So once again, my name is Lisa, and my website, kung gusto nyong, I'm one of the mentors here as well. So if you want, you can choose which mentor you want to mentor you kung gusto nyong magsimula itong business na to. Pero our websites are all here, so you can just have a look, and it's all the same content, and it's just pag binuksan nyo yung mga websites namin, pare-pareho pa rin. So, but kung gusto nyo pumunta sa website ko, my website is www.mamalisa-an.com, and libre po. Wala kang babayaran if you want to check the training.
And hi, thank you very much, guys, yes, ladies. And thank you so much to Dahlia for sharing your inspiring stories dito sa ating live streaming ngayon. So, by the way, ako nga pala si Bernadette, galing Pilipinas, at ngayon ay nandito sa Canada as an early childhood educator. So, educator ako ng mga batang chikiting. So, like you've said, like you've heard, guys, si Sis Dahlia is just scrolling when she found out this business. So it's legit. It is just normal to be skeptical at first, but then it is your choice to step in and said yes to this opportunity. So as you can see, nandito po lahat ang aming mga website. We are all mentors sa aming business community na to. So you can choose whoever you wanted. And like what Sis Lisa said, pare-pareho lang po yan. We all support each other. So it's all the same thing. We just support each other to lift up and to flourish on all our businesses. And if this message spoke to you, don't scroll away. Message the person who shared this video with you or visit our own website. Napakarami pong website dyan. So you deserve a life that gives back, and we'll be here cheering you on. So to all our viewers, supporters, and followers, thank you for tuning in and have a great day. Hope to see you all inside. Bye for now, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. God
Bye.
bless.
God
Bye.